Here's how you design an impeller with Fusion 360 in under 2 minutes. Upload and open the impeller hub file in Fusion 360. Basically, I turn off the body of the impeller hub. A sketch is then made from one of the planes. A rectangle is placed vertically at the center of the internal part of the impeller hub. For this project, the rectangle specification is that it is 2 mm wide and 12.7 mm tall, using a sketch dimension to modify the width and height of the blade. We then create the blade of the impeller by extruding the sketch that we have created just then. In this project, the length of the blade is 19 mm wide. The blade is sharpened through filleting and chamfering. For shortcut, press F to fillet. After that, create a circular pattern and select the impeller blade and the center circle of the impeller hub as the object, and for axis, select the outer edge of the impeller hub. Now that we're done with the blade, we need to create a hole in the center for the inlet. Voila, you're done. You can even render the model if you wanted to.